Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase your microphone volume in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, you'll see your main dashboard with all your scenes and sources displayed. Now direct your attention to the audio mixer section, which is typically located at the bottom or side of your OBS interface depending on your layout. This is where all your audio sources are listed and controlled. In the audio mixer, look for the option labeled mic/aux. This represents your microphone input. Right next to the label, you'll notice a slider control. This slider allows you to adjust your microphone volume directly. Simply move the slider upward to increase the volume level. You can monitor the audio levels in real time using the green meter that appears next to the slider, which helps you find the perfect volume without any guesswork. Now, if you want more advanced control over your microphone volume, there's an alternative method that gives you additional options. Look for the small arrow icon located right beside the mic/aux label. Go ahead and click on this arrow icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Filters. This will open a new window dedicated to audio filters, where you can apply professional-grade audio enhancements to your microphone. In the Filters window, navigate to the bottom left corner where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to add a new filter to your microphone. A list of available filters will appear. From this list, select Compressor, which is a powerful tool for balancing and boosting your audio levels. After selecting Compressor, click OK to add this filter to your microphone source. Now that the compressor filter is active, you'll see several settings and parameters you can adjust. Look for the option labeled Output Gain. This parameter specifically controls how much the compressor boosts your microphone signal. Right beside Output Gain, you'll find another slider. Use this slider to increase the volume further. The compressor will help maintain consistent audio levels while preventing distortion, making your microphone sound more professional and balanced. Once you're satisfied with your volume adjustments and the compressor settings, simply click the Close button to exit the Filters window. Your changes are automatically saved and will be applied immediately to your microphone input. And that's it! You've successfully increased your microphone volume in OBS Studio using both the direct slider method and the advanced compressor filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.